How to change email address in Samsung account. Now, this process is very simple. So here are going to be the few steps. So you would like to decide first if you're going to be doing this via your mobile device or your laptop or PC. All the processes are actually the same. So if you're using your phone, just simply pull up any working browser that you can use on your device. Same goes with your laptop. Now go straight into Samsung.com's official website, and this is going to be their home dashboard. At the top right hand, you should be able to see a login option here. Just simply hover your mouse and choose on login slash sign up. Now, for you to change your email address, of course, you need to log in into the existing account. Now, once you will be landed on this page, input your email address, hit on next, and simply input your password as well. Once you've successfully logged in, click the gear icon at the top right and choose whether My Profile or My Settings. Both are the same. Click that, and then on the next page, you will be redirected into your Samsung account. Choose on Manage Samsung Account, and then there you should be able to change your current email address. Input your email address where you'd like to be changed and hit on Change button, and then you will receive the verification through the email address that you just changed. And that's it. That's simple. How you change your Samsung account email address.